I am so happy. I saved 10,000 rupees this month. I will keep it in my cupboard.
Arjun, don't do that. If you hide your money, it will get smaller.
How? No one knows it is there.
Prices are going up every day. Milk, petrol, and bread are getting costly. If your money just sits there, it buys less tomorrow. That is like losing money.
That is scary. What should I do?
Look at the big companies. They make cars, phones, and biscuits. They get richer when prices go up. You should own a part of them.
Me? But I am not a big businessman.
You don't have to be. In the stock market, you can buy a tiny share of a company, even for 100 rupees.
So, if the company makes a profit, I get a part of that profit?
Yes! You are not just a worker anymore. You are an owner. When the world grows, your money grows.
So I don't just save money. I make my money work for me?
Exactly. Don't let your money sleep. Wake it up.
I want to learn about stock market. Tell me more.
Follow Market Blade. We make it easy for you to learn and understand the stock market.